In this Raspberry Pi Pico project, we are going to learn how to build an ultrasonic navigation device for the visually impaired. In this project, I'm using MakerPi Pico Mini, ultrasonic sensor, and a push button. In this tutorial, we will use Thonny editor and CircuitPython to build the code for this project. If you are not familiar with Thonny, check out the video in the description to learn how to get started with it. Visit the CircuitPython website and download the latest library bundle. Unzip the file and locate these two libraries. Copy and paste them into lib folder on your CircuitPy drive. In Thonny editor, open the code.py file and paste this code into it. Save the program and run it. When the ultrasonic sensor detects an object, the Pi Pico will respond with a beeping sound. The box of this project was designed in Tinkercad and 3D printed using Artillery Hornet. You can find the STL files in the description. That's all for this tutorial. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Stay tuned and see you next time.